Hey, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So guess what today is? It's wash day. So I am going to be using our hair repair and growth system. To start, I used our herbal detox shampoo, which is now called Herbal Clarify, Elite Clarify. That will actually be available this coming August 2021. So you guys look out for the release of our Elite Clarify, which is a gentle cleansing shampoo created with organic activated charcoal and peppermint. So my second shampoo, which is now what we call my treatment shampoo, I am using our hair repair and growth shampoo. The good thing about the hair repair and growth is it also has an amazing moisture content, so it doesn't dry the hair out like most strengthening shampoos. For my conditioner, I am using our hair repair and growth conditioner and our detangling brush. Now, this beautiful brush comes as a part of a 4-piece detangling set that will be available come Black Friday. And I use that just to stimulate my scalp, stimulate that blood flow, and really put that conditioner into the hair. So you guys can tell that hair repair and growth shampoo and conditioner really has some great detangling properties. And then for the final step of the wash day, I sprayed on our hydration and strength therapy leave-in spray. And now it's time for the mold. So to start my mold, you guys, I'm using a little bit of gel at the base. If you guys notice, when I put the gel on, I do not have any wrap foam on my hair just yet. The reason for the gel is sometimes when you're in the grow out phase, or maybe it's time for a relaxer, that hair does not lay down as well in those parts of the head. So if you use a little bit of gel first and then you follow behind with your wrap foam, it makes the area lay down and it makes the area nice and smooth and flat. But at the same time, it does not get hard and crunchy like it would if it was just the gel by itself. So our Elite Silk Wrap Foam is amazing, of course, for relaxed hair molds, shortcuts, twist outs, whatever you need it for. If you're doing your flexi rod set, your rod set, roller sets, it is always great to use our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. Now, another trick to the trade is I'm using what we call end papers. These papers are typically used when you're getting like a roller set or a jerry curl, but they are also great for holding down your hair and not disturbing your mold as sometimes the wrap strips do. Now, once the hair is dry, of course, I'm going to use some of our Elite Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum. This is going to be the way to go when it comes onto your heat protectant and also adding a little bit of gloss or shine to the hair. Now, you guys know I use a lot of spritz on my hair. I've been cutting my hair and curling my hair for years, and my hair grows really, really quickly. So I always use myself as an example, you guys. I literally spray on spritz to make my hair extremely hard every single week, okay? And my hair is still in the healthiest state that it's ever been in. Even when my hair was longer than this, it was not as healthy as my hair is in my short style. Not saying that a shortcut is going to make your hair healthy, but for me, I want you guys to pay attention to how my hair feels, how my hair looks, how often I'm curling my hair, and the fact that my hair is still strong, it's intact, and I don't have any form of breakage anywhere, okay? Like, period. So I've been using my own products since release. I used to use a lot of other companies' products, and I no longer do that. I use all Elite Hair Care products, excluding whenever I'm doing a chemical service such as a relaxer or a color. Those I actually use the company that creates the relaxer or color for their particular process. Now, what I'm doing is I am literally flipping my hair. You know, you guys, you've been watching my videos for so long. You know this is my go-to. My style never comes out 100% the same. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day and what direction my arm decided to go that day. But for the flat iron, I'm using a 3/10 of an inch pencil iron. There are different companies that actually create that iron. H2O Pro is one, and Kiss is another company. And then for my front area where my hair is a lot longer, I'm using the 1-inch titanium H2 Pro iron. And I will say the type of iron and the quality of the iron makes a huge difference, you guys. So keep that in mind whenever you're buying your flat irons. You want to make sure that it is a high quality iron, and not because the company's name is a big name means that their iron is the bomb. I don't really use the other companies. I'll just say it that way. Why? Because I feel like I don't like them. I've been using H2 Pro for a while, and I really like the quality of their irons. They're not paying me to tell you guys this. This is just what I use in the salon, and I just wanted to share the knowledge and the wealth with you guys. Now, the rat tail comb that I'm using is our Elite rat tail comb. It comes 2 in a pack, and it also has a parting tooth. It is also carbon, so that means that it is heat resistant, and it also has a metal tail for you to use in your hair when it comes on to parting, and it doesn't bend or break. So that's the great thing about our rat tail combs. All of the products that I told you guys about today are available on our website at elitehaircareusa.com. And of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. So what I'm doing right now is just going through the sides to blend in my sides with my top. Okay, I only curl certain parts of my head. So, I'm trying to get into the habit of really learning how to curl the back. My problem with the back is I can't see it, just like anyone else. But I've learned how to mold my hair in a certain direction so that I don't have to do a lot of curling in that area. But the good thing is, I understand how to curl my hair. So this all comes from practice, you guys. Not because I'm a stylist or anything of that nature. When you're working with your own hair, it's all based on practice. Practice, practice, practice. You might not get it the first time. You might sometimes get it the first time, and then it messes up the second, third, and fourth time. So it really just depends on you and how much you really practice taking care of your own hair. By the way, you guys, when I said take care of your hair, I also want to invite you guys to sign up for our Elite Hair Care Boot Camp. This is our first boot camp where I'll be teaching you the basics to how to take care of your hair, how to get your healthy hair journey on track, ingredients to stay away from, hair care regimens, porosity, texture, you name it. We will be talking about it during our Elite Hair Care Boot Camp. Registration has already started. The information to register is in the description box below. And then, of course, I also invite you guys to sign up for our Elite text line, where you can also register for the boot camp by texting the word ELITE, ELITE, to 407-537-3173. Yay. All right, so I want you guys to also take note on how shiny my hair looks, and all I used was the frizz tamer, okay? And then I put some spritz on it, and spritz is drying, but hey, that's my go-to. Now, for the style, I am going to use a little bit of our African Goddess Rejuvenate Balm. Yes, this is our new balm. And I just put a little on my hands. It is powered by Jamaican black castor oil. It strengthens the follicle. It adds the shine to the hair. It smells like candy, by the way. And then lastly, I'm going to spray on some spritz and just freeze my hair in place. If I don't freeze my hair, you guys, I won't actually have any curls tomorrow. So that is another reason why I use a lot of spritz on my hair, and I sweat or perspire a lot, especially in my hair. So you got to know what works for you.